Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Dose. Today, I'm going to share some shocking reasons why the keto diet helps with fat loss, reasons that most people don't talk about. If you've been curious about keto or want to understand why it's so effective, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, the keto diet forces your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. Normally, your body uses carbohydrates as its main energy source. But on keto, when carb intake is very low, your liver produces molecules called ketones from fat. These ketones become your body's primary fuel. This switch means your body starts burning stored fat more efficiently, which is key to fat loss. Second, keto significantly reduces your insulin levels. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar, but also promotes fat storage. When insulin is high, your body holds on to fat. By cutting carbs and lowering insulin, keto helps your body unlock and burn fat stores more easily. Third, the keto diet naturally suppresses your appetite. High-fat and moderate protein meals help you feel full and satisfied, reducing hunger and cravings. This leads to a lower calorie intake without feeling deprived, which is essential for fat loss. Fourth, keto stabilizes your blood sugar levels. When blood sugar spikes and crashes, it can cause energy dips and hunger pangs. Keto keeps your blood sugar steady, preventing those energy crashes that often lead to overeating. Fifth, keto has been shown to increase your metabolic rate slightly. Some studies suggest that being in ketosis boosts your calorie burn, meaning you burn more calories even when resting. Sixth, during the first few days of keto, your body loses a lot of water weight. This quick drop in water retention helps reduce bloating and can give you fast visible results, a great motivator to keep going. Seventh, keto improves insulin sensitivity over time, which not only helps with fat loss, but also supports better overall health and reduces risk of diabetes. Finally, keto encourages you to eat whole, nutrient-dense foods like healthy fats, vegetables, and quality proteins. This naturally improves your nutrition and supports your fat loss goals. But remember, keto isn't a magic bullet. It works best when combined with a balanced lifestyle, including proper sleep, hydration, and regular physical activity. If you're serious about losing fat, understanding how keto works can give you a powerful edge. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Health Dose 2001 for more health and fitness insights every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.